It's about Puppy.
You don't have to say another word. I've been thinking a lot about it, and I agree.
You do?
We should definitely tear down the Frosty Star to make this place better for Puffy. Maybe put in a papaya tree grove?
Actually, Puffy's owner called. And it's not Puffy, it's Pookums.
Who's Pookums? Not following.
Listen, Radar, we can't keep a pigeon in a space station. Like you said, he needs to climb, and he's always making noise. And most important, he already belongs to someone else. It's been fun having Puppy visit, but we have to be fair about this.
You're absolutely right, Comet. I 100% completely agree. You keep a secret. I'm not going to give you back. I'm going to ask your owner if I can keep you. How does that sound?
I'm sorry, buddy.
It's okay. Puppy belongs at home with his family. He didn't even say goodbye.
Thank you so much for taking such good care of my baby. Buck and Terry can't wait to come back and visit.
Really? You mean you'd bring Puppy? I mean, Pookums back?
Of course. He wouldn't be very special if he kissed you on the nose.
Is Grandpa okay? He's been in the kitchen for hours.
Hey, guys. Thanks, Jet.
You know, you were a great friend to that little Piffin. He loves you so much.
I know, and it felt good to do the right thing, but I still miss the little guy, which is why I made a smoothie in his honor. The Puppy Pookums Papaya Delight. I'll think of Puppy whenever I drink it.
And I'll think of Puppy whenever I yell.
Don't go too far, and these kids will be right back.
We brought you here today to get your honest opinion about this new car. To keep things unbiased, we removed all the logos. So this car supports Apple CarPlay.
Siri, open Maps. No, she gets me.
It has team driver technology. It even mutes the radio until the seatbelts are buckled.
I'm very curious what it is.
This is a 2016 Chevy Malibu. And it sells for, it starts at $22,500.
Wow. I mean, all this technology.
That's a game changer.
New Benderoo's 3D are amazing flexible building sticks that come in 4 different sizes to bend and create 3D models and shapes. 3D transform models into models. Decorate a cool life. Build Benderoo's 3D to new heights. You can get the complete Benderoo's 3D Multi-Maker Creation Set with 560 3D Benderoos and accessories. Everything for $19.99. Plus, you'll get free shipping with your paid order. You can go online at buybenderoos.com. Must be 18 or older to order.
Looks like today is your Chucky Day. Cool games and tons of tickets. It's all here at Chuck E. Cheese. Where a kid can be a kid.
If you can't seem to shut down at bedtime, you're not alone. Millions of people turn to non-habit-forming Unisom sleep gels to fall asleep fast and wake recharged. Unisom sleep gels. A stressful day deserves a restful night.
I was a doubting Thomas because we had tried other programs to help them learn, and he was bored. It wasn't working. And one day I came home, Kyle was on the computer, and they were doing ABCmouse.com. He lit up ABC Mouse was learning fun. There's math, puzzles, so many books, loads of educational things. I know the future is brighter because he's excited about learning. He wants to learn, and I know that's because of ABCmouse.com.
Have you ever built a fort?
Or walked the
explore the run a circus. Every blanket is full of possibilities.